Rajasthan, the captivating land of the kings, is India's most colour-charged state. Like a legend come to life, the state is packed with magical towns and has been endowed with a vast wealth of treasures spread across the countryside. And now, the pulsating and vibrant villages of Rajasthan invite you to share the local lore, culture and traditions and make your trip an unforgettable one. The Department of Cooperation, Government of Rajasthan, has ventured into the innovative area of rural tourism and started Raj Gramya, a village cooperative tour. 26 chosen Gram Seva Sehkari Samiti villages welcome you to experience the classic hues of a glorious culture and fascinating traditions. The department has a vast infrastructural network of Gram Seva Sehkari Samitis spread all over the state. The members of these Samitis are very knowledgeable persons, ready to welcome and assist the tourists during the tour. The Raj Gramya tour to the village will give you an opportunity to have a closer look at the colourful village life. The village life is very undemanding and simple. As you wander through the village, meeting accomplished craftsmen is not surprising. Beautiful things take shape and form under his able hands. A lot of patience is required to make even the basic shapes. You are also welcome to try your hands on this age-old art and feel the joy of creation. Do not be surprised at seeing silk making in the village. In the Pai Gram Seva Sehkari Samiti, you can have a first-hand experience of sericulture. village, you may come across people engrossed in the routine activities of life. Here is an opportunity to witness age-old techniques still being used. Your journey to the village may depict different colors of rural life. The simple rural life will surprise you in more ways than one. Spend some time strolling in the Havelis built by the Marwari traders of Shekhawati and see the stunning frescoes.
We're grateful to cooperatives of Rajasthan and to you, the people of Dundlo, for giving us all such a very, very warm welcome and for felicitating us here today.
The striking architecture and magnificence of the Chand Bauri mesmerizes the onlooker, and time comes to a standstill. Carrying forward the tradition of splendid architecture, new tourist spots are being created. A memorial dedicated to the valiant Maharana Pratap is being constructed near Udaipur, from where you can have stunning views of the hilly landscape. The caves in the hills around the Gogunda village have been silent witnesses of the valor, chivalry and sacrifice of Maharana Pratap. A museum is also being developed on this historic land of victory at Chhapli village of Udaipur. Near the museum is a natural waterfall which will captivate you and leave a lasting impression on your mind. Being in the lap of nature, the villages near Jodhpur are a perfect setting for the most congenial man-animal relationship. Another village near Jodhpur, Khichan, has been the home of thousands of migratory birds from Europe since many years. These birds come in great numbers in winters, and the villagers take good care of them by providing them with food. The chirpy sounds of the birds and the melodious songs of the village women add sweetness to life in the village. These women have come together for a ceremony, and just have a look at their fine jewelry. The glint of the jewels and the feast of colors in the dresses are a sharp contrast to the bleak desert. The tariff of the Raj Gramya village tour shall be Rs 200 to Rs 300 per tourist, depending upon the chosen village. This does not include food or transportation to and from the Raj Gramya village. Extra itinerary can be included as per demand at a nominal extra cost.
We enjoyed it, the dancing, the singing and so on. We are very glad that we could be a part of this entertainment. We wish you all the best for the future.
Rajasthan is a place to expect the unexpected. Rediscover Rajasthan and witness the colourful life, rich heritage, timeless architecture, serene nature, and have an invigorating experience. An experience you would simply love to cherish.